What's up, fam? I'm Nike trainer Tara Nicholas, and this is ReNew Year with Well+Good. So our focus right now is on a lower body endurance workout. It's gonna be fun, per usual. We'll start with our warm-up, come into our circuit, little finisher, and send you on your merry way. All right, let's start with our warm-up. So your first skill is gonna be a toe touch squat. Your feet are just outside of the pelvis, as wide as feels right to you. Your arms are overhead, and you're gonna enjoy this roll down moment. Start to bend the knees, drop your pelvis, grab your toes for a second. You can even shift side to side. Oh yeah. And then stand up and do it again. Same thing, toe touch squat. We'll only do this for 20 seconds. So just enjoy it. Luxuriate the roll down, drop your pelvis, grab your toes, proud chest, stand it up, beautiful. Last one. Good, and stand. Great, eyes on me for the next skill. So we have fixed feet lateral lunge, an even wider stance here. My toes face forward, my hands are on my pelvis. I bring my pelvis back, this is our hinge. I stand, staying on the same side. Join me. Inhale down, exhale up. So it's our fixed feet lateral lunge. We're gonna use this skill later in a full lateral lunge, right? So for now, just make sense of what it is to be in this hinge. It's like I'm pressing my pelvis back, like I'm closing a door behind me. I stand, I squeeze my glutes, and I'm really driving through the right heel, right? The heel that has the bent leg. Great. Same thing, go right to the other side. Make sense of that on your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. The next thing I want to add to your list of things to pay attention to when you do this is that my head and tailbone move at the same time. So it's like there's a rod sticking out of both sides. That means that I shouldn't see you kind of like move your pelvis and then your head stays up, or vice versa. None of that weird stuff. So just moving in one piece, inhaling down, exhaling up, and the power is coming from that left heel now, right? So I'm on this side, I drive down to stand up. Great, time, let that go, eyes on me. So now we have alternating reverse lunge with a twist. So my feet are under my pelvis. When I step back, make sure that I don't tightrope, right? So I wanna make sure that I have space behind me. I step back, knee down, rotate, reset, I step back, knee down, rotate, and reset. Go ahead and join me. 3, 2, 1, step it back. Rotate towards your front leg, like you're closing the position. Good, and if it's going well, that back knee can hover. Rotate, reset, stand. And as you're doing this, don't fling your body around, right? It's controlled, pelvis is under you, shoulders are over your hips. I rotate over, I drive through my front heel to stand. We're gonna use this skill as well. 3, 2, 1, gorgeous, shake that out, let that go. Last thing of our warm-up is a forearm plank hold. You welcome, I know you love these. So make your feet a little wider since we're still warming up. Squeeze your glutes, press the floor away, shoulders over your elbows. Join me, 3, 2, 1. Now, forearm planks feel a little foreign to your body. Totally fine to leave your knees down, right? But even if your knees are down, notice that I didn't suddenly just let my pelvis go, right? So bring everything with you, squeeze your glutes, press the floor away, belly button in. If your legs are still extended, engage your legs more. Feel energy shooting out of the heels, out of the top of the head. Inhale through the nose. I'm slipping, exhale out the mouth. 3, 2, 1, gorgeous, let that go. Stand up, come into a fake jump rope recovery while I tell you what's going on. So we're gonna do an AMRAP, which means as many rounds as possible. You're gonna have 4 skills, you're gonna have 6 reps, and we're gonna do it for 4 minutes. I know, you're like, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna tell you right now. So your first skill is squat to toes. Let's go. Squat to toes or squat to flat feet. 3, 4, 5, 6, starting with our lateral lunge. 1, reset. 2, reset. 3, reset, reverse lunge. 4, 5, 6, other side. 1, 2, 3, to the back. 4, 5, 6, high knees. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Back to the top, same thing. That was round 1, right into round 2. Squat to toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lateral lunge. 1, 2. Good. Really press back. One leg is straight, one leg is bent. Good. I'm losing track of my counts. Go back. 4, 5, 6. Other side. It's totally okay if you're going faster than me. Sometimes I stop to show cues. You don't need to stop. You just keep going and having fun. Good. Reverse lunges. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. High knees or march. 1, 1, 2, 2. Good. Now round 3, squat to toes. Good. So I'm not gonna count anymore. I want you to start to pick up the pace. And I wanna be able to talk about form. So just listen as you work. Good. So why are we doing this? As many rounds as possible. AMRAPs, really great for building endurance. So you're gonna notice, you're probably like, shouldn't there be a break at some point? There's no break right now. Important thing is for you to keep moving that body and enjoy the challenge, right? I'm challenging you to work your mind and your body at the same time. Can you hold on to your form even as you start to fatigue, right? It's a lot of weight shifting, right? A little bit of cardio being snuck in there. And your priority is your form, continuing to move. Beautiful. Yes, people, breathe. Okay, final minute here. Can you pick up that pace? Just a little, and keep your form. Especially in that lateral lunge, it can get a little funny. So just check in with it, keep making it better. Good, and it's not about perfection, you already know. Those of you who've met me before, you know I'm a recovering perfectionist. I'm letting that go. The goal is to be imperfect, okay? We are human. Good, keep breathing, 45 seconds. I know. We got this. Together. 5, 5, 6, 6. Back to the top. What round is this? I don't know. I think I'm on 4. I think. Don't quote me. Good. 30 seconds. Pick up that pace. Cause you can. Cause you're all rock stars. Good. Oh yeah. Starting to feel my glutes firing up a little. Heart rate is up. Everything's working on purpose. Because you love it. Good, come on, 13 seconds. Nice, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have time, squat to toes. 3, 2, time. Beautiful. Fake jump rope recovery. Nice work. I'm gonna stop so I can talk for a second. You keep doing that. And breathe. Okay, we made it to our finisher. Lots of fun here. Only have 2 skills. First skill is gonna be 30 seconds. Second skill is gonna be 20 seconds. We have a modified Frogger. So you come down, out, out, in, proud chest. Out, out, in, proud chest. Or full Frogger. I'll show you what's next during the break. Join me now. You're walking. Make sure your feet are flat and you have a proud chest. We all have different hips, so maybe you need to come a little higher. Just try not to exaggerate and stand all the way up, okay? Your legs are gonna burn. That's on purpose. Good. Enjoy. 15 seconds. Nice, people. Keep it up. 3, 2, time. Stand up. Right away. 3-step lateral high knees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Join me. You can also just march. Oh yeah. Whatever you've decided, it's dynamic, it's powerful, and it's confident. 3, 2, time. Rest. Go to your happy place. Okay, all that again, no tricks. If you didn't try that full expression of the Frogger, maybe you get to try it this time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Come on. 20 seconds on the clock. Nice. Good. If you haven't already, try that Frogger. Because you can. Good, make sure you have flat feet when they come in. Good, 5 seconds. Almost there. Then we stand up for that 3-step lateral knees. 3, 2, 1, stand up right away. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, So good. High knees, higher, faster. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Beautiful. Okay, cool down. Don't be scared. You nailed it. Let me show you what's happening. V stance, T-spine opener. You can bend the knees if you need. Just unfurl that arm. Reset, other side. Unfurl that arm, reset. Join me if you haven't already. Good. I know that was a lot, but y'all really did the thing. So be proud of yourself. Enjoy that you're sweaty. I'm sweaty. I feel like I'm always sweaty, but that's okay. 3, 2, time. Good, just sit up so I can talk to you. I know that was the most, but you did it. You stuck in there. Thank you so much. Again, Nike trainer Tara Nicholas, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, slide into my DMs. Let me know how you're feeling, how it's going, okay? Subscribe to that Well+Good channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Tara Nicholas out.